Welcome to Module 6 on Pregnancy and Infancy. This week, we revisit nutrition in the life cycle with a mother and infant case study. You'll see that down below the module objectives right here. And this will have you delving into appropriate weight progression through pregnancy, considering food insecurity issues, and tasking you with examining key food milestones during the first year of life. Complete the knowledge check, and as always, the guided notes can facilitate insight into Chapter 11. Perhaps more than you might have considered. You'll notice supplemental materials that include several short videos about pregnancy and weight gain, WIC, and also a link to infant feeding recommendations from the Healthy Eating Research website. One additional case study in MindTap explores the Healthy People 2020 goal for pregnancy and weight gain. Oh no, I'm sorry. That is the goal for breastfeeding. It also includes the Academy's position paper on breastfeeding, barriers to breastfeeding, and ways to change culturally based behaviors. Notice that you are only responsible for questions 1 through 5. Don't forget the reflection on Module 6 and also the quiz. Keep working on your choice lesson. Recall that you need to review instructor feedback and amend your lesson plan accordingly. Check your learning objectives to make sure they meet SMART goals, along with any comments from the instructor. Your peers likely had some helpful comments as well. Your revised lesson plan, handout, and lesson materials are to be submitted for grading later this month on March 26th. So this is just a reminder. The link will be in Module 8. By the way, this is the lesson that you are going to virtually present and teach your peers regarding the subject matter. And you will also be peer reviewing each other as well, but more on that down the road. Have a great week.